I'm from Newcastle originally, and you know, the weather's really cold there. I don't know if it's something to do with that or just genetics, but I started losing my hair when I was about 20, 22 years old, between that age. I noticed that my hair was receding at the just on the sides here, not on the top at first. And then from that point on, you know, like a lot of men in the world, I felt a little bit conscious about it. Okay, what can I do about this? I tried many shampoos, different natures, with different ingredients and different products of all kinds. And I didn't have any luck, any success, even with the consistency that I was and the money that I was spending. So from that point on, I thought, okay, well, what's another approach? How can I go about doing this? 21st century, if we can land on the moon, we should be able to do something about the hair. So yeah, and then I met Rita, and through personal opportunity, I was able to, you know, come to here and have this work done. I was really optimistic about it, and you know, I was really comfortable being here. Everyone was really welcoming, things like this, and yeah, I had the surgery done. It went well, like I expected, and yeah, it was a really a good experience to have this. After the treatment, you know, it was for the first month, you know, just getting used to having no hair again, but you know, knowing that it was growing, it was really good. And then I started to see the progress. You know, but obviously I had to really take care of myself in that time. So yes, that's the main advice I would give to anybody if they have it done. Just, okay, you have the surgery done, but really take care of yourself. Don't go to the gym too soon, or don't just put yourself under any like distress, you know, because you want this to work. It's a priority. So yeah, I would say otherwise. Just the process over the next 6 months to a year, watching the hair come in, it was successful, I think. You know, I've got tattoos. You know, I'm used to that kind of level of pain. It was a different. It wasn't uncomfortable though. It wasn't nothing that I wouldn't say anyone can't bear. You know, so I would say if anyone who wants to have it done, they don't have to worry about this. You know, I say that, you know, the way that the procedure is done, it's done with a lot of care, and it's done with a lot of professionalism. So yeah, there's nothing to worry about on that level, I would say, for sure.